Welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss ray optics, problems on reflection of light through spherical mirrors part 3. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. Problems on reflection of light through spherical mirrors part 3. Go to the first question. An object is moving towards a concave mirror of focal length 24 centimeters when it is at a distance of 60 centimeters from the mirror. Its velocity is 9 centimeters per second. The speed of its image at that instant is. Here in this question we have to calculate speed of its image. Now in this question they given still focal length f is equals to 24 centimeters and distance of object distance they given 60 centimeters from the mirror and its velocity they given as 9 centimeter per second. So now let us go to the solution. Given f is equals to 24 centimeter, f is equals to 24 centimeter and v naught is equals to they given as 90 centimeter per second and u is equals to they given as 60 centimeter. Now we have to calculate speed of its image. V is equals to fu by u minus f. Substituting values, f nothing but they given as 24 into u 60 by 60 minus 24. So v is equals to here 24 into 60 by 60 minus 24. Here we are getting 36. So now here 12 2s are 12, 3s are 36 and again 3 1s are here, 3 2s are 6, 0. So 20. V is equals to we are getting 20 into 2, 22 is 40 centimeters. So V is equals to 2 into 20, that is equals to 40 centimeter. Okay. Now Vi is equals to speed of the image minus of v square by u square into v naught, that is equals to minus of here we are getting 40 by 60 whole square. This can be written as vi is equals to minus of v by u whole square into v naught. So into v naught nothing but into 9. So vi is equals to minus here 0 0 gets cancels, 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 square nothing but 4, 3 square 9 into 9, 9 9 gets cancels and vi is equals to minus 4 centimeter per second. As object moves towards the mirror, its image moves away from the mirror. Okay, as object moves towards the mirror, as object move towards the mirror, its image moves away from the mirror. Okay, this is the speed of the image. We are getting minus 4 centimeters per second. Okay, next we will go to the next question. A car is fitted with a convex side view mirror of focal length 20 centimeters. A second car 2.8 meters behind the first car is overtaking the first car at a relative speed of 15 meters per second. The speed of the image of the second car as seen in the mirror of the first car is. Here now we have to calculate the speed of the image of the second car as seen in the mirror of the first car. Okay, now let us go to the solution. Here Vi is equals to minus of V square by U square into V naught, that is equals to, we can written as F by U plus F whole square into V naught. Here for convex mirror. Now substituting values, this is for convex mirror. Convex mirror we are using as a rear view mirror or side view mirror. So now that is equals to, substituting the values, F they given as 0.2. Here they given convex side view mirror of focal length 20 centimeters, converting into meters 0.2 meters by U they given as here 2.8 meters and plus 0.2 into V naught they given as here speed of 15 meters per second, 15. So that is equals to Vi is equals to minus of 0.2 by 2.8 plus 0.2, 3 into 15. So that is equals to minus, here this complete whole square. So 2 by 30, 0.2 nothing but a decimal representation, 2 by 30 whole square into 15. So that is equals to 2 ones 2 15s. So minus 1 by 15 whole square into 15. 115 115 cancel. So Vi is equals to, we are getting minus 1 by 15 centimeter by second. Okay, now this is the speed of the image Vi. Therefore final answer Vi is equals to minus 1 by 15 centimeter per second. Okay, next we will go to the next question. In figure, the total magnification after two successive reflections, first on M1 and then on M2. See this figure. Here we are taking the two mirrors, one is M1 and other is M2. This is M2 and this is M1. One is a convex mirror and the other is a concave mirror. Here focal length of this mirror is 20 centimeters. They given as 20 centimeter, and focal length of one mirror is 10 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the total magnification after two successive reflections, first on M1 and then on M2. Now let us go to the solution. Magnification of M1 is, now we are calculating magnification of M1 is, M1 is equals to minus V by U, that is equals to minus of F by U minus F. Now we are substituting values. Minus of F they given as for mirror M1 here 20 centimeters, so substituting 20 by U minus F, U they given as 30 centimeters. Okay, now 30 minus 20, so M1 is equals to, we are getting minus 20 by, that implies M1 is equals to minus of 20 by 30 minus 20, 10. So M1 is equals to, we are getting 10 ones, 10 twos. So that implies M1 is equals to minus 2. So next now we are finding V is equals to minus M1 into U. So M1 is equals to minus 2, U nothing but 30. So V is equals to, we are getting minus 60 centimeter. So now for M2 here minus M1 into U, minus 2, M1 is equals to minus 2. So here minus of minus 2 plus, so V is equal to 60 centimeters. For M2 U is equals to 20 centimeter and F is equals to 10 centimeter. From mirror formula 1 by U plus 1 by V is equals to 1 by F. Now substituting values, 1 by 20 plus 1 by V is equals to 1 by F. So 1 by V is equals to, here we are substituting F in the place of F, they given as 10 centimeters. So 1 by 10. 1 by V is equals to minus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 10. Now 1 by V is equals to, now taking LCM, 1 by V is equals to, here minus 1 plus 2 by 20, 21 is 20, 10 2 is 2. So V 1 by V is equals to, we are getting 2 minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 20. So V is equals to 20 centimeter. Now M2 is equals to minus V by U. So minus 20 by U nothing but 20. So 21 is 20. So is equals to, we are getting M2 is equals to minus 1. So total magnification M is equals to product of M1 and M2. So that is equals to M, total magnification M is equals to minus 2 into minus 1, minus minus plus, 2 1 ja 2. So M is equals to 2. This is the total magnification. Therefore total magnification M is equals to 2. This is the final answer. Okay, next we will go to the next question. An object is placed at a distance of 40 centimeters from a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. If the object is displaced through a distance of 20 centimeters toward the mirror, the displacement of the image will be. Here we have to calculate displacement of the image. Image displacement we have to calculate. Let us go to the solution. Here given u1 is equals to object distance u1 is equals to they given as 40 centimeter and f is equals to 15 centimeter. v1 is equals to f u1 by u1 minus f. So here now substituting values, that is equals to 15 into 40 by 40 minus 15. Now v1 is equals to 15 into 40 by 40 minus 15, 25. See, 5 3 ja 15, 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 8, 5 8 ja 40. So v1 is equals to 8 3 ja 24 centimeter. v1 is equals to 24 centimeter. And next u2 is equals to they given as 20 centimeter and f is equals to they given as 15 centimeter. Now v2 is equals to f u2 by u2 minus f, that is equals to now substituting values 15 into 20 by 20 minus 15. So 20 minus 15, 5 by 5, 5 1 ja 5 4 ja 20, 15 4 ja 60 centimeters. So v2 is equals to we are getting 60 centimeters. Displacement of image is displacement of image, that is equals to v2 minus v1. So that is equals to we are getting 60 minus 24. So that is equals to 36 centimeter. Displacement of the image, that is equals to 64 centimeters away from the mirror. This is displacement of the displacement of image. Displacement of image is equals to 36 centimeters away from the mirror. This is away from the mirror. Displacement of the image, therefore displacement of image, that is equals to 36 centimeters away from the mirror. Okay, this is the final answer. Next we will go to the next question. When an object is placed at a distance of 25 centimeters from a mirror, the magnification is m1. The object is moved 15 centimeters further away with respect to the earlier position and the magnification becomes m2. If m1 by m2 is equals to 4, then the focal length of the mirror is, here they given the ratio of two magnifications, that is m1 by m2 is equals to 4. Then we have to find out the focal length of the mirror. And let us go to the solution. Here magnification is equals to magnification m1 is equals to f by u minus f. Now first here m is equals to f by u minus f. Now we will write m1 is equals to similarly f by u1 minus f, and m2 is equals to f by u2 minus f. Now m1 by m2 is equals to u, here f, m1 by m2 nothing but f by u1 minus f by u2 minus f. F will cancel, the remaining is we will get u2 minus f by u1 minus f, that is equals to, they given as 4. Here they given as if m1 by m2 is equals to 4, then we have to calculate focal length of the mirror. So now next u2 minus f by u2 minus f by u1 minus f is equals to, they given as 4. Now substituting values, u2 nothing but 40, they given as 40 minus f by 25 minus f, that is equals to 4. Now taking cross multiplication, 40 minus f is equals to 4 into 25 minus f. So 40 minus f is equals to 25 4 is 100 minus 4f. So now minus f plus 4f is equals to 100 minus 40. Minus f plus 4f, 3f. 3f is equals to 100 minus 40, 60. F is equals to 60 by 3. 3 ones, 3 twos, so 20. So that implies f focal length of the mirror, f is equals to, we are getting 20 centimeters. This is the final answer. Okay, therefore f is equals to 20 centimeter. Focal length of the mirror is equals to 20 centimeters. Okay, next we will go to the next question. You are asked to design a shaving mirror assuming that a person keeps it 10 centimeters from his face and views the magnified image of the face at the closest comfortable distance of 25 centimeters. The radius of curvature of the mirror would then be, here we have to calculate radius of curvature of the mirror. Now let us go to the solution. Here given u is equals to, they given as 10 centimeter. As per the rules for sign convention, we are writing minus 10 centimeter, and v is equals to 15 centimeters. So now from the mirror formula, 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. Now see here, this is the mirror, concave mirror, that is shaving mirror. Now this is the principal axis. Now we are placing this object here at a distance of 10 centimeter, and here the image falls on this. Here this distance is 15 centimeter. The total distance from here to here 25 centimeter. This is the image place. Okay, now we will go to the this substitution. Minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15, u they given as 10 and v 15, plus 1 by f. 1 by f can be written as 2 by r. Here 2 by r. Why? Because here since radius of curvature is equals to 2f, r is equals to 2f. So f is equals to r by 2. In the place of f, r by 2 nothing but reciprocal, that is reverse, 2 by r. So Now taking LCM 150, here 10 15s are 15 plus 15 tens are 10, that is equals to 2 by R. So next minus 15 plus 10, nothing but minus 5 by 150 is equals to 2 by R. Now taking cancellation here, 5 ones are 5 threes are 15 0. So minus 1 by 30 is equals to 2 by R. Now taking cross multiplication, R is equals to R into 1 minus R is equal to 30 into 2 60. So R is equals to, we are getting minus 60 centimeter. So now R is equals to, here we can write R is equals to minus 60 centimeters. So therefore the final answer, radius of curvature R is equals to minus 60 centimeters. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. An object 2 centimeters high is placed at a distance of 16 centimeters from a concave mirror which produces a real image 3 centimeters high. The focal length of the mirror is, here they given as object height 2 centimeters and a distance of 16 centimeters from a concave mirror, and this is producing a real image at a height of 3 centimeters. We have to calculate a focal length of the mirror. Now let us go to the solution. Here m is equals to magnification m is equals to height of the image by height of the object, that is equals to, we can write as minus v by u. Now substituting values, here magnification they given as minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 is equals to v by u, they given as 16 centimeters. Now taking cross multiplication, v is equals to minus 3 into 16 by 2. 2 ones 2 eights. So v is equals to 3 eights are 24 minus 24 centimeter. V is equals to, we are getting minus 24 centimeter. So from the mirror formula, 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. Now substituting values, minus 1 by 16 plus, here v nothing but minus 24. So directly we get it as minus 1 by 24, that is equals to 1 by f. Now taking LCM 48, 16 threes are minus 3, 24 twos are 2 ones are 2. So that is equals to 1 by f. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 by 48, that is equals to 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is equals to minus 5 by 48. F is equals to minus 48 by 5. So this implies after division we are getting 9.6 centimeters. So therefore now we are getting f is equals to minus 9.6 centimeter. Therefore final answer, focal length is equals to minus 9.6 centimeters. This is the focal length of the mirror. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. The focal length of a concave mirror is f and the distance from the object to the principal focus is x. The ratio of the size of the image to the size of the object is, here we have to calculate ratio of size of the image to the size of the object. Here we have to calculate simply magnification, the given focal length and the object distance. Now let us go to the solution. Here this is a concave mirror and we are taking a principal axis, and this is a object, and here focus. This distance is they given as x distance, and this is the focal length, and it is here pole, and is complete distance x plus f. Next, now u is equals to object distance is equals to minus of x plus f. F is equals to minus f. V is equals to, we have to calculate. So from the mirror formula, 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. Now substituting 1 by minus of x plus f plus 1 by v is equals to minus 1 by f. Here we are substituting in the place of u minus x plus f, and in the place of f minus f. Now 1 by v is equals to 1 by v is equals to 1 by x plus f minus 1 by f. So that is equals to, taking LCM, f into x plus f, here f minus of minus x minus f plus f minus f cancels here. Now 1 by v is equals to, we are getting minus x by f of x plus f. So 1 by v is equal to minus x by f into x plus f. V is equals to, we can write it as minus f into x plus f by x. So magnification m is equals to height of the image by height of the object, that is equals to minus v by u. So substituting, we are getting m is equals to minus of f of x plus f by x by x plus f. So here x plus f cancel, the m is equals to minus of minus into minus plus, so f by x. This is the magnification or ratio of size of the image to the size of the object. So therefore final answer is ratio of size of the image by size of the object, hi by, this is hi by h naught is equals to f by x. This is the final answer. Okay, ratio of size of the image to the size of the object is hi by h naught is equals to f by x. Okay, thanks for watching this video.